Welcome to the future of transportation. Explore mind-blowing vehicles like the Moya eVTOL and the Eight-Wheeled Sedan Toyota. Join us as we dive into cutting-edge innovations that are shaping the next generation of mobility. BMW Group Personal Mover Concept E-Industrial, the future of factory mobility. The BMW Group Personal Mover Concept E-Industrial is designed to help workers move quickly and efficiently across factory floors. This agile, one-person transport is perfect for carrying parts and materials over short distances, making it a game-changer in industrial environments. The vehicle features a five-wheeled design with a compact platform, allowing it to navigate tight spaces with ease. For control, it uses a thumb throttle for acceleration and a brake system that ensures safety while moving through busy factory areas. With its electric power, the personal mover offers an eco-friendly, efficient solution for improving mobility and productivity in industrial settings. Eight-Wheeled Sedan Toyota, the unorthodox design. In Bandung, West Java, Indonesia, a taxi company owner has taken his passion for unique cars to new heights. He's created an eight-wheeled Toyota Vios, a vehicle that proves that even the most unorthodox ideas can become reality. At first glance, the car in the video may seem unusual, but it's a modified Toyota Vios sedan, a successor to the Toyota Tercel. What makes it stand out are the two extra sets of wheels added to the rear. The first extra set of wheels runs along the ground, much like you'd expect from a typical six-wheeled vehicle. But the second set of wheels is mounted higher up, sitting on top of the lower wheels. This extra set serves no practical purpose other than to make the car look cool. To ensure the top set of wheels stays in contact with the lower ones, the wheels are sprung. As the car moves, friction turns the top wheels, adding to the vehicle's unique appearance. Flowdot Mantour XE Kick Scooter. The Flowdot Mantour XE Kick Scooter is a game-changer. It's a scooter so unique, it might just leave you speechless. Why? Because this compact scooter features a groundbreaking self-balancing mode that activates when it's folded. This clever design allows the scooter to stand upright on its front wheel. That's right, when you're not riding, it stays balanced on its own. This makes it incredibly easy to transport and maneuver, even when you're not using it. And here's the kicker. The Flowdot Mantour X weighs only 16 pounds. Yet, it can balance itself with ease. It's so lightweight and stable that you can roll it alongside you with almost no effort at all. The magic behind this self-balancing feature is a custom algorithm. This ensures the scooter stays perfectly stable, so you won't have to worry about awkwardly pushing or carrying it like a traditional scooter. With just a light touch, the Mantour X smoothly rolls beside you, offering a level of convenience you've never seen before. It's not just about the ride, it's about how easy and effortless it is to move around with it. The Flowdot Mantour XE Kick Scooter is perfect for anyone who values both innovation and practicality in personal transportation. Would you give it a try? Let us know in the comments. Ice Sprint X Recumbent Trike, performance and comfort combined. The Ice Sprint X Recumbent Trike, priced at £4,200, blends cutting-edge performance with exceptional comfort, making it a top choice for both sport riders and commuters. This trike features a lightweight 700 CAOW wheelset and a Shimano Steps E-Assist motor system. It delivers 250 watts of power and 85 Nm of torque, ensuring smooth rides and effortless climbs on steep terrain. Its advanced geometry, which includes indirect steering and no-brake steer, offers intuitive and stable handling, even during high-speed turns. Built with durable 4130 chromoly steel and 705 T6 aluminum, the trike absorbs road vibrations for a smoother ride. The Ice Air Pro carbon fiber seat enhances comfort and support, while the compact flat twist folding system makes it easy to store and transport. With customizable riding positions and numerous accessory options, the Sprint X is perfect for riders seeking speed, versatility, and premium design. Beta Technologies Alia CX300, the future of electric aviation. The Beta Technologies Alia CX300, an electric aircraft with conventional takeoff and landing (eVTOL) capabilities, completed its inaugural flight on November 13, 2024. This groundbreaking aircraft showcases 100% electric technology, setting a new standard for sustainable aviation. With an impressive range of 386 nautical miles, or about 714 kilometers, on a single charge, the Alia CX300 is built for both efficiency and versatility. It can accommodate up to 5 passengers or carry up to 1,400 pounds of cargo. What really sets the Alia CX300 apart is its rapid charging capability. In less than 1 hour, it can be fully recharged, allowing for super quick turnarounds and boosting its efficiency for commercial operations. The Alia CX300 is shaping the future of air travel, combining sustainable, electric flight with unmatched flexibility. Moya eVTOL, the future of autonomous cargo transport. The Moya eVTOL is an autonomous, heavy-lift cargo drone that's set to change logistics and agriculture. Its innovative design features tandem tilt wings, which allow it to take off and land vertically. Once in the air, it transitions to efficient horizontal flight. Powered by electric motors and batteries, the Moya eVTOL runs on zero-emission technology. This significantly reduces the carbon footprint compared to traditional cargo transport methods, offering a cleaner alternative. With a maximum payload capacity of 200 kilograms and a range of 110 kilometers, the Moya eVTOL is capable of transporting goods over long distances. It makes delivering to remote or hard-to-reach locations faster and more efficient. The Moya eVTOL is a game-changer in how we think about transporting goods. Its combination of electric power, zero emissions, and advanced flight technology is transforming the future of delivery. Ace Vtol Trinity, the future of air travel. The Ace Vtol Trinity is set to transform the way we travel, both for personal and commercial use. This electric vertical takeoff (VTO) aircraft is designed to handle multiple tasks, including transporting passengers and cargo, providing emergency medical services, and performing aerial inspections. It's built for versatility and high performance with a strong airframe, a powerful engine, and an advanced flight management system. Inside, the cabin is spacious and comfortable, featuring ergonomic seats, climate control, and augmented reality entertainment. The Trinity also stands out as the first electric aircraft designed to be fully wheelchair accessible, making air travel more inclusive. Production is planned to start in 2026, offering a glimpse into the future of sustainable, convenient, and accessible air travel. Experience the next generation of flying with the Ace Vtol Trinity. Nemesis One, the world's first zero-emission hydrofoil yacht. The Nemesis One is a revolutionary luxury catamaran that sets a new standard in yachting. It is designed to be the world's first zero-emission hydrofoil yacht. This sleek 101-meter vessel combines futuristic design with cutting-edge technology. One of its standout features is the hydrogen-electric propulsion system. This retractable system, along with solar panels generating up to 150 kilowatts of power, helps recharge the yacht's batteries. It's a true leap toward sustainability on the water. The Nemesis One also boasts hydrofoils. These allow the yacht to rise above the water, reducing drag. This unique capability helps the yacht reach speeds over 50 knots, offering an exciting and smooth ride. Adding to its impressive performance is the VPLP Design's patented Ocean Wings wing sail technology. This system automatically adjusts the sails for the best performance, controlling the angle of attack, camber, and twist for ultimate efficiency. Inside, the Nemesis One offers luxurious interiors, ensuring comfort during your voyage. With its zero-emission propulsion and unmatched speed, this yacht redefines what's possible on the water. The Nemesis One is not just a yacht, it's a glimpse into the future of sustainable luxury yachting. High Wanderer Spider Pi, the eye-powered hexapod robot. The High Wanderer Spider Pi is a hexapod robot that can see, think, and act. Powered by the Raspberry Pi, a popular single-board computer, it supports multiple programming languages and applications, making it ideal for exploring AI, machine vision, and robotics. Each of the Spider Pi's 6 legs is controlled by high-torque servos, with 3 joints on each leg. The robot can walk, turn, and even adjust its height and speed, thanks to different gait modes. The wide-angle HD camera allows Spider Pi to take photos and videos. With OpenCV for image processing and recognition, SpiderPi can be programmed to track faces, detect tags, or even greet people. Control is simple with the Wanderer app, where you can select game modes and view live video. The graphical PC software lets you adjust robot actions, servo orientations, and more. Whether you're a beginner or experienced in AI and robotics, SpiderPi is a fun and informative robot that can inspire new ideas and projects. STOOPIDTALLER, the world's tallest bicycle. If you're an avid cyclist, you've probably experienced this. A passing car driver looks down on you with a sense of superiority. You can ignore it, or you can build something like this. Meet the STOOPIDTALLER. This bike stands over 20 feet tall, about the same height as a two-story building. On December 26, 2013, it earned a spot in the Guinness World Records as the tallest bicycle in the world. Riding it isn't easy. You need a pole or wall to help you climb on. But surprisingly, the inventor didn't just get on, it also made a trip, which is what secured the record. As for the technical specs, the bike weighs over 200 pounds and has 36-inch wheels. To make it work, the inventor had to connect 8 chains. Vasthaven 1. The future of commercial space stations. Vasthaven 1 marks a major milestone as the world's first commercial space station. Set to launch in 2025, it will offer groundbreaking opportunities for space exploration and research. The VAST 1 mission will carry 4 astronauts to the station aboard SpaceX's Falcon 9 rocket and the Crew Dragon capsule. The mission will last up to 30 days, providing a platform for scientific research and in-space manufacturing. With 1,000 watts of power and the ability to carry up to 150 kilograms of cargo, HAVEN-1 is equipped with advanced life support systems. It also features the potential for lunar artificial gravity through its spinning design. The space station offers privacy, flexible schedules, and an immersive experience. A large window dome provides breathtaking views and the perfect setting for photography. Additionally, with 24/7 communications and onboard Wi-Fi, this fully independent space station is redefining the future of commercial space exploration. Aniioki A8 Pro Max. The Aniioki A8 Pro Max is an electric bike built for comfort, long-range commuting, and thrilling rides. It features a powerful 1000 W motor with a peak output of 1400 W, allowing you to reach speeds of up to 33 miles per hour. Whether you're cruising on city streets or tackling various terrains, the bike's pedal assist system, with multiple levels, makes every ride easier and more efficient. What really sets the A8 Pro Max apart is its impressive range. With a 52-volt 60Ah battery, it can travel up to 200 miles in pedal assist mode, making it ideal for long-distance journeys. Comfort is also a top priority. The A8 Pro Max comes with a dual suspension system to ensure a smooth ride. Its front hydraulic shock and rear spring shock absorber absorb bumps and vibrations, so you can enjoy a comfortable journey, no matter the terrain. The 4-inch fat tires provide added stability and traction. For safety, the bike is equipped with hydraulic disc brakes for strong stopping power and an integrated alarm system to deter theft. With its combination of power, range, comfort, and safety features, the Aniioki A8 Pro Max is a great option for riders looking for an electric bike that can handle long distances and diverse terrains. Begode EX30. The Begode EX30 is a high-performance electric unicycle built for rugged terrain and city commuting. It features a powerful 3,600 watt-hour battery pack using Samsung 50E cells, combined with an advanced BMS system. This system includes temperature sensors, battery redundancy, and voltage alarms to enhance safety and reliability. Powered by a 4,000-watt high-torque motor, the X30 delivers strong performance, though actual riding speeds will be lower than its no-load speed of 75.8 miles per hour. The advanced controller, equipped with 36 MOSFETs and 7 capacitors, ensures stable and powerful operation. Its fourth-generation shock system provides up to 100 mm of rebound travel, giving riders a smooth experience even on rough surfaces. You can choose between 20-inch knobby tires for off-road riding or street tires for city use. XL spiked pedals offer excellent grip for added control. The EX30 also comes with a reinforced chassis for better water resistance, and it includes practical features like a height-adjustable seat, carry handles, and an integrated kickstand. Whether you're tackling rough terrain or cruising through the city, the Begode EX30 is a versatile and durable choice for all kinds of rides.
Today we're diving into the Atrina ATV, an off-road monster that claims to be a game-changer. What makes it stand out? The Atrina boasts two independent boat frames powered by hydraulic drive and a unique system that lets the frame adjust its shape and angle to tackle any terrain. This beast can hit speeds of up to 50 kilometers per hour, carry a whopping ton of cargo, and comfortably fit 10 people. But it doesn't stop there. You can customize it with extras like a winch or even sleeping beds. Starting at just $7,800, the Atrina is a serious contender in the off-road world. Whether you're looking to haul heavy loads or just need a rugged vehicle to conquer the wild, this ATV has you covered. Get ready to explore the great outdoors like never before.